Welcome to the Vodia PBX Quick Start Guide, presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to add DIDs, or phone numbers, to the Vodia PBX. From the Administrator System level, click on the Domains tab. Click on DID Management from the dropdown. From here, click on the Add DID button. Next, type in the inbound DID number here. This number will be used for incoming calls. For the trunk field, choose Voxtelesys as your SIP trunk provider. The Mapped to Domain field should have a default value. In the Mapped to Account field, select the DID's route. Turn the Use it as outbound DID as well field to on if you want to set the caller ID to the same number as the above inbound DID. Click on Create when you're finished. Congratulations! You've successfully added a phone number in the Vodia PBX. Check back for future videos on Vodia, as well as other helpful guides.